Hi guys, my name is Sarah and I am the instructor at Erskine Green Training Institute in our patient transport program. So patient transport is a program where the students will be working at the hospital, transporting patients to and from different testing sites. So at first we will be spending time in the lab at our hotel, and you'll be learning how to clean the different transport equipment, so the wheelchairs and stretchers, and then also how to use that equipment. So we will practice transporting each other first around the hotel, and then once you guys master at the hotel, we will move over to the hospital where you'll start working on the skills there. So you will be working with a transporter at the hospital, and then you'll be going around the hospital learning about how to introduce yourself to the patients, how to interact with them, and then finally how to get them ready for the transport. You will also be learning about the different communication equipment that they use there. So you'll be using an iPod to get your jobs. Then you'll be using the phone to contact the nurses on the floors when you get there to pick up the patient. And then you will also be using their computer system to be able to track the different jobs. Part of the patient transport program includes completing CPR training through the local Y and becoming CPR certified. After students have mastered the skills in the patient transport program, they will move into their internship, which is the last 4 weeks of the program, where they will be working more independently with a transporter at the hospital. Next up, we will be hearing from an alumni and a supervisor who both work at IU Health.
And I'm Abby, and I used to be an Erskine Green student, and now I'm a patient transporter, graduating in 2017.
So Abby, tell us a little bit about your role as a patient transporter.
I take patients from rooms to test sites, either from new rooms or just even to different places, even discharges.
Run us through like a typical transport from the beginning to the end. So tell us kind of how a transport would go.
First, okay, you get the job from your pager, and then you pick up your equipment or whatever, you take it to the floor, call the nurse, grab the chart, let them know that you're here for the patient, and then you put you let the nurse know, hey, is this patient okay walk, or do we got to pull over? And then, put the side rails up, take them to a test site, progress completed, all your stuff. So
I always see you talking to the patients and talking to the staff, and everybody loves you over there at the hospital. It's great to see you in your element there, and you're always very, very positive.
I am Tim Simpson, the operations manager for environmental services and patient transport here at IU Health Ball Memorial.
Tell us a little bit about what your role is and what you do day to day.
Also manage the patient transport department, which makes sure that our patients get to their test sites, get discharged, or transferred room to room.
What do you expect from your employees?
What I expect is they need to be patient friendly, need to be able to work as a team, because especially in patient transport, it does take a team to get our patients from point A to point B. We're here for our patients, so I need somebody that's going to be here, that's going to connect with the patients. So that's the biggest thing I look is for somebody to be, patient caring and put them first.
So what piece of advice would you have either for future employees or for future Erskine Green students?
Just be on time. Always put yourself in a patient's shoes when you're either transporting a patient. They are out of their norm. So with transport, we can be that smile, that person who puts a smile on their face instead of going into rooms and, taking blood, waking them up for medication. So just be that patient focused. If that's what you want to do, this is the right place for you to be.
If you would like to learn more about the patient transport program, please visit our website at egti.org.